Hi, in this lecture, I am going to talk about short-circuiting. What is a short-circuiting? Well, when evaluating Boolean expression, Python will stop when it knows the result without knowing the rest of the condition. For example, in the AND operation, both must be true in order for the entire expression to be true. And for OR, if either is true, then the whole thing is true. What that means is, for the OR, it will stop as soon as it encounters a true statement. If I write a statement like this, if student academic program is equal to comp, or student average is greater than GPA is greater than 3.5, if you're a computer science student, if this is true, I do not need to know whether your average is greater than 3.5 or not, if a GPA is greater than 3.5 or not, because I know the whole expression is going to be true. So the student average, student GPA greater than 3.5 will not be checked. In the short circuiting, once for the OR expression, once it knows something is true, then it knows the whole expression is going to be true. It will skip the rest. Likewise, for the AND, both must be true for the entire expression to be true. So it will stop as soon as it encounters false, because it knows the expression will be false. So I change the OR to the AND, OR to the AND here. If student academic program is computer science, comp, if you are not computer science student, so if this is false, it will not check the second part at all, because um, I know the expression is going to be false anyway. So let's try to do some programming exercise from what we learned um, in the selection lecture here. Write a function called max that return two numbers as input parameter. That take two numbers as input parameters. The function return larger of the two number. How do I return maximum? So I can add max x y. How do I return maximum of the two number? Well, if x greater than y, then you want to return x. Now, do I need an else? Think of a return statement. I could actually say return y here. It has the same effect as if else statement, because if this is true, if x is greater than y, then I return x. If this is not true, I will return y. And I can test the code here. Max of say 6 and 10. Oops. And max of say 10 and 3. Then not make it 10. How about 20? So max of 6 and 10 is 10. Max of 20 and 3 is 3. What about if two numbers are the same? Max of say 11 and 11. And when I run that, well, if the two numbers are the same, the max is either number work. And both are max. How about this one? Write a program that displays all the numbers from 1 to 100 with two exceptions. For number that divisible by 3, print fizz instead of the number. And for number divisible by 5 and not by 3, then print buzz. Once you get this program working, modify the program to print fizzbuzz for the number that are divisible by both 3 and 5. but you still print vis or bus for number that is divisible by only one of those two. Think about how you do this. I want you to try this, and I will show the answer during the class lecture.